In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Zoom messages. Whether you're tidying up your chat history or correcting an accidental send, this simple process is quick and easy. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Zoom app on your device, which can be either your desktop or mobile phone, whichever you find more convenient. Once the app is up and running, the next step is to navigate to the chat tab. This is where all your conversations are neatly organized, allowing you to quickly locate the message you'd like to delete. Now let's find that particular message. You can scroll through your past exchanges or search for specific keywords if there are many messages to quickly pinpoint the one you'd like to erase. Once you've identified the message, if you're on the desktop version, simply hover over the message with your cursor. For those of you on mobile devices, you just need to tap and hold the message to proceed. With the message highlighted or selected, look for the delete option. On desktops, this typically appears as a little icon, while on mobile devices, it might show up in a pop-up menu. When you click or tap on delete, Zoom will prompt you to confirm your action. At this point, select delete again to confirm. It's important to ensure you want to remove this message as the action can often be irreversible, especially if it's not saved anywhere else. Once you've confirmed, the message will vanish from the chat on your end. If you're the original sender of the message, there is a chance it might also be deleted for everyone in the chat, but this depends on the specific settings of your Zoom account. It's a good idea to check these account settings if you're unsure whether the message will disappear for others as well. And there you have it. The message is gone from your immediate view and possibly from everyone else's if your account allows it. It's worth noting that managing your chat history and keeping it organized can greatly enhance your experience on platforms like Zoom, especially if you use it regularly for professional or personal communication. Remember, tidying up unnecessary messages can also help maintain privacy and reduce clutter. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most out of your digital communications. Have a great day.